Babycorn Manchurian recipe. Cut 250 grams of babycorn. Boil it in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes. Cut 5 spring onion whites and half an onion. Cut 3 to 4 green chillies. Cut 1 green capsicum. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Salt per taste. Mix with a whisk. Coat the drained or warmed boiled babycorn evenly. In a hot pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Stir fry the babycorn till they're slightly brown. Remove and keep aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Add the cut onion and spring onion whites. Stir fry. Add the cut green chillies. Add 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Stir fry it. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar and mix. Add 1 tablespoon Maggi hot and sweet ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon green chilli sauce. Add the cut capsicum. Add 2 teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Add salt per taste and mix. Add 4 tablespoons water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add the stir-fried babycorn. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes on low heat. Garnish with spring onion greens just before serving. Serve hot. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.